Ready. Away and running in the closer. St. Zarb gets a great jump from that high draw. Hackbrain showing speed. Stormy Royal right there too. Mocold has come out running in fourth. At the rail is Quite Sultry next in fifth. T-High gains ground between horses along with Overlaid as they race up the backstretch. And it's Hackbrain now going out to the front from St. Zarb. T-High between horses, Green Cap. Stormy Royal in tight down there at the fence right at the heels of that speed. And then comes Broadway Style going into the far turn. Overlaid. Greedy Me checks between horses. Mocold is next. And then comes Bide with 3 furlongs to run. Down toward the rail, Bitsy Storm toward the back half of the field along with a wide Fine Star. And Quite Sultry has dropped back to last. The quarter went to 22-1. Just above the quarter pole, St. Zarb and Hackbrain. These two come off the home turn now with a couple of furlongs to go. T-High under pressure and on the outside, Overlaid. Half mile, 46-1. Down toward the final furlong. Corey Lannery and St. Zarb in front of Hackbrain. Overlaid. Fine Star on the far outside, then Mocold and T-High. They're coming down toward the wire. St. Zarb kept to the task. Hackbrain, Fine Star coming with a long run. Here's the wire for St. Zarb. St. Zarb holding Fine Star by just inside a length. Hackbrain third, Overlaid and Mocold fifth.